Hey guys, so today in this video we're going to see that how can you start your Starmaker account. So as you can see in the third row, I have this Starmaker, so you can download this app freely from Play Store. Now if you after downloading that, if you open the play like if you open that free star, you can see that you need to it says that start the new journey, and you need to select your language. So I will select Hindi. So it determines your feed, content and song. So I've selected Hindi, and after selecting that you can see that I got this login information at the bottom, right? And this is the main page of which is generally called as sing in the center. Now what I need to do, I will click on this login button and it will ask me to log in and enjoy all features. So you can select Facebook or Google as per your convenience. I will select Facebook, and it will take me to this my Facebook account. After that it is making a connection with my Facebook account and this Starmaker. Now as you can see I got my Facebook profile over here. Now it says my name, so Ravindra Bhardwaj's name has already been taken. Let me provide this underscore, and it is checking, it is also occupied. Okay, so what I will do, I can go for Ravindra and then I can write Robin. This is also occupied. Ravindra Rob, it is available. So Ravindra Rob is available. And I am male. You can put secret, you can put male, or you can put female depending on your gender, and then click on save. Now this is the main thing, don't click on next, because what will happen, you will start following all these people which I don't want, right? And I don't want this to follow anywhere or anytime, because I don't like that. So unselect all these things, join a family, double your phone. I don't want to join a family, and then I don't want to follow all these people. I don't know why this Starmaker is providing this automatic suggestions. I don't want that. And okay, so what I did, I just unselect all these things. So these people I'm not following, and I'm not joining these groups. Click on next. Now go to me. This is your profile. As you can see, this is the profile of my I have this ID. This is the followers, my followers. This is the following, the person who I'm following. This is the rank, and it depends on your singing profile. This is the gift which I can get from different people's family. You can click on join, and you can also create your own family, or you can join different families, right? You can search for family ID over here if you have any, if you want any, if you want to join any family ID or family name. So let's say I have a name, so it is singing stars. And if you know any name of family from your friend, you can just search that. Click on search button, and I got 3. So I know that the last one number, the last third is the family which where I want to join. So click on this join button, and it says applied. So the request has been sent to the singing star owner, and he or she can approve your request. So in this way you can join a family. This is the family one. Now in this me section of your profile, you can see on the top left, this is the plus button with a person icon. This is the button where you can follow persons. So I can follow this, so I can just click on the follow Kush Bukati, and you can get different suggestions based on your Facebook account, based on your contact details. So that's the one thing to find a friend or follow the person. On the top right you can see 3 different icons. One is the search icon, which is generally for song name. You can search any song name. So let's say I just want to search for a song, Khuda Jane, and just write the name. It will give you the song if it is available. It is not available now, so let's go back. The second icon is this one, which is for setting, and this is very good icon which you never need to forget it. Over here you can edit your profile, like over here, welcome to my stage. You can put education, career, relationship status, so married, fill your hometown, fill your birthday. So this is the one thing. Then the second, I will go over on this on the settings afterwards. So this is the setting menu. The third one is the third icon is the playlist, where you can add, so whenever you sing the song, your playlist will get fill up. So that is the playlist. Then if you go down, I already shared, I already told that followers following rank gift. Then you have this bigger menu which is like this. Draft is the song where you, when you're singing, you can make a draft and you can post afterwards. Songs, if you click on songs, you can get your songs. Daily task, this will give you rewards, and that will be helpful for your advancement or something like that. So this is the, I don't know what is this, but I will not click that. I just, this is the ad which I just want to move forward, right? Okay, now I'm just start getting this notification from Starmaker, which I will don't want. So I will tell you that how to hide this notification from Starmaker. Okay, so it's annoying that you are getting regularly frequent notifications unknowingly, like unnecessary. So I got these 2 coins, join a family to unlock more tasks. I have already applied for that, and these are the tasks which you can which if you complete it, you can get rewards, diamonds, you can get coins, you can get experience, you can get, this is, what is this, C, I don't know, whatever it is. So now it's a noble, let's see what it is. I am just trying this for the first time. Noble is that, okay, what it is, it is the first prize. Okay, I got it. It is the person who is get more, like more gift, will get this noble prize, I think so. And this is the badges which you can get, as I already said, the noble one, like all this June recharge. If you do the recharge, you can get all these badges. Recharge is that when you collect the coins, you can recharge this Google Wallet amount, right? So let's go back. This is the VIP. You can purchase your VIP pass, and you can, what you can get, you can remove ads, VIP tag, all these things you can get, all are was. Then you can play game over here. I don't want to game, I have a much more, I have PUBG, so I will not play this. Okay, so let's go back, and you have a feedback. If you want to give feedback to this Starmaker, customer care tools is the, what is that? Okay, it is that you can get a car, you can get this motorbike, I don't know what is this. Live level. So whenever you go live, you can increase your levels, and what happens that if you do certain things, you can get this active live of 3 days, and you can get points from that. So complete a task, get the points, get the money. Then this is celeb. What is this celebrity? Okay, so these are the celebrities, right? These are the famous person, I am not. Talent, in the talent you can see these are the talented persons from all over world. Okay, congratulations to all of you. What is this nano pay? It is the nano materials payment, or it is something like that, I don't know. Let's see, it is the nano pay. Okay, so you can increase your credit limit, I don't want that. So this is the menus whichever you have. And then you can go for profile, you can get a profile. Moments, whenever you sing the song, you can get the moments. This is the cover, whenever you play the cover songs. This is the duets, short videos, and that will complete a profile. Now on the bottom part, you can see there is me is red, that means I'm in the me section. Click on the message, you will get to the message section. Over on the top, you can get the friend request, fans, likes. This is the mention, if somebody mention you. Comments, somebody comments on your song. And these are the gifts. On the bottom of that, you can join these parties. So let's say I just click on one party, and over here people start singing songs. Bakwas. Okay, so let's leave this. Okay, so I just leave this by pressing back button, and these are the party or live people's system. is that you can get a notification. Official event is the event that are going into this Starmaker application. Some peoples you want to follow, these are the, I don't know who are they. And what is this? It's a party. Okay, so in party you can join a group where people are just singing from their board life. And this is a social. In the social again, Star Maker is recommending some family, some people to join, and that's how you can get all this notifications and all this joining request. So if you want to sing a song, click on this center button, the mic button, and you can search for a song. Let's say I just want to search a song which is jungle jungle baat chali hai, and I can get different variants for this song. And if I want to sing the first song, click on that and then click on this sing. So if you click on this sing, it will say to take a video, to take a picture. Click on allow, to record allow, and click on I know. And now you can see you can get all these lyrics in this song. So if you want to sing a solo, click on solo. If you want to sing a duet, click on duet, and you can see that the color will change. That will tell you that who is going to sing which part. So I will just go for solo and click on this start. And as you can see, the music, where is the music? There is no music for that. Okay, so the music has been come now, and you can just sing the lyrics, and that's how you can. And if you want to stop this, you can just click on the stop button, and if you want to restart, you can click on the bottom, and you can just, whenever you finish that, you can click on this right tick mark on the right side to post this video. And if you want to discard that, click on this cross button and click on exit and click on delete. So that will discard the recording. Okay, so that's how you can start your Starmaker account and become famous on the Starmaker. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.
बाय
छोटू नहीं आया?
सो रहा है.